Hi again, just to continue on with some practice with triangles and finding the area, I still have two problems here so we can practice. Now remember the formula is area equals 1/2 times base times height. So let's look at the second triangle. If we look here, the base of the triangle is right here is 6. So we're going to have 1/2 times, I'm going to use the dot because it's easiest to draw, times 6, and then the height. The height is from the bottom to the tippy top, so in that case, it's 5. So we have 1/2 times 6 times 5. So I'm going to start with the 6 times 5 because I think that's the easiest part. So 30, and then 1/2 times 30, or 1/2 of 30. Because I know what half of 30 is, I'm going to rewrite that with the word of. And in this case, I already know that half of 30, I don't need to come over like this one and do the house for division. I know half of 30 is 15. So the final answer would be 15 feet squared. And I'm going to use that little 2 to show my squared. If I move right along over to this triangle, you'll see it's a little bit different. So again, we have that formula, 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 times the base. So right now the base is this bottom, what's holding up the triangle. So that's 10. And in this case, the height is shown over on the side instead of in the middle, and it's showing us that it's 8. So in this case, we know it's half of 10 times 8. So if I move myself over, so maybe I want to do half of 10 first this time. So let me, half of 10, these together, is 5. So then I have the 5, and I bring down that times 8. So 5 times 8 is 40. 40, and this time it's inches. So 40 inches squared. So hopefully that will help you in finding out the area of a triangle. Remember that half times is the same thing as dividing by 2 or thinking of half of whatever is there, which should hopefully help you with your answers. Hope that helps. Thanks. Bye.